Supreme Court nominee Amy Coney Barrett was on Capitol Hill today. She met with GOP lawmakers ahead of the confirmation hearings, which will begin on October 12th. And if President Trump gets his way, Barrett could be placed on the court before the election. But if that election is contested, some say she might have to recuse herself. We had our Verify team dig through the law books to find out.
In the world of politics, it can be hard to get the facts, and that's why the Verify team is here. We break down online claims to separate what's real from what's not. Today, we're taking a look at the Supreme Court nomination of Amy Coney Barrett. Online, people are asking what would happen if she was sworn in before the election and then the results of the election were disputed.
Will she recuse herself?
A topic of discussion for Democratic lawmakers, too, like Cory Booker.
If she does not recuse herself, I fear that the court will be further delegitimized.
So let's verify. If confirmed, would Amy Coney Barrett have to recuse herself in any case relating to the 2020 election? Here are our sources: Victoria Nurse from Georgetown Law, Paul Schiff Berman from GW Law, and the Code of Conduct for United States Judges. Let's start with the Code of Conduct. In part, it reads the following: a judge shall disqualify himself or herself in a proceeding in which the judge's impartiality might reasonably be questioned. It then lists a few examples. Things like if the judge has a personal bias or prejudice to a concerning party, if they served as a lawyer in the matter, if they have a financial interest, if their family is involved in the case, or if they previously worked in a government job relating to the case. But here's the thing. These rules are not constitutionally binding. Our law experts both confirm that judges in the lower courts can be reprimanded by a committee on ethics, but there's nobody to police the Supreme Court itself.
The ethical rules do not apply to the Supreme Court of the United States. They help administer these rules.
And so when justices do recuse themselves on the Supreme Court, it's a personal decision, not one that's mandated.
They do it as a matter of grace, they call it, or a matter of wisdom.
So while there will surely be a debate over whether Barrett should recuse herself in such a situation, we could verify that no, there's no constitutional requirement that a Supreme Court justice recuses themselves when ruling on a disputed election. With your Verify, this is Evan Kozlov.